The bathroom is one of the most essential rooms in a house. Unfortunately, many homeowners overlook it since it's not a place where they can hang out. Furthermore, it tends to be small and narrow, making them think they can do nothing about it. Having a small bathroom is not a dead end. The truth is you can do many things with it to make it more appealing and efficient. We have summed up 12 small and narrow bathroom space-saving ideas just for you. For more details, follow the SimpHome link provided inside the description. 12. A bathroom floating shelving idea by Urban Mod. A small and narrow bathroom means less furniture. You cannot shove a bulky vanity into it because you will make it more cramped. It does not mean you forego storage, though. Having a place to store toilet paper and towels is crucial. So, how will you do that? Creating floating shelves is the best solution to your problem. Floating shelves are smart storage and a versatile solution for small spaces. You can install and use them in literally every room in your house. More importantly, they are easy to build, hence the inexpensive cost. If you have some wooden board already, you can make some floating shelves in your bathroom. All you need to do is cut it to size, sand them down, especially the rough edges, and stain or paint the pieces. Finally, screw them to the wall. You can also use L brackets for extra support. 11. The Tiny Master Bathroom Renovation by Mr. Kate. Doing a makeover project for a small bathroom requires careful thought. You need to make it more attractive without hogging the floor space, and, of course, without sacrificing its essential functions. This bathroom, for example, has proven that you can make the most of the small space. There used to be a bathtub in it, however the homeowner has replaced it with a shower, which saves much floor space. The old vanity used to be way too big. Therefore, the homeowner decided to swap it for a smaller one with shaker doors to create a contemporary look. Above the vanity is an oval, frameless mirror and sleek lighting that enhance the modern vibes. There was also a cabinet right above the toilet, which is bulky and outdated. For this reason, the homeowner replaced it with sleeker and simpler wall-mounted shelves. The most conspicuous transformation is the ceramic tiles that provide pattern and color to the bathroom. 10. Skip the curtains and get smart glass, or the alternative. Carving out a modern style in your small and narrow bathroom is not impossible. You just need to make every piece of furniture and interior have clean line designs. Letting more natural light come into the space is also crucial. Therefore, you have to forego curtains. Unfortunately, it may sacrifice your privacy. You can still create a modern bathroom while maintaining your privacy by investing in a switchable glass. This type of glass can turn from opaque to clear when turned on. It means you can block the view without any help from a curtain or a blind. Unfortunately, switchable glass can be pricey. Thus, you can opt for a window privacy film instead. Window privacy films are sheets that come in various types: tinted, mirrored, opaque, or frosted. Some of them can even create a two-way mirror effect that enables you to see out of the bathroom while not letting people from the outside see you. More importantly, it is less expensive and easier to install. You can even do the installation yourself. 9. Adopt a bus bathroom with a boho style idea. Creating a boho style in a small bathroom? Why not? It can offer a relaxing ambiance when you take a bath. Bohemian style tends to be eclectic. It is the combination of various colors, patterns, and textures that breaks the conventional rules. Thus, feel free to express your imaginations. Although boho style does not require you to stick to a particular color scheme, earthy colors would be your safe bet. Green, gray, brown, and white would make a perfect base color. After that, toss some interest through a patterned shower curtain and towels. As with the accessories, you need to collect items that have traveled through time. It means secondhand or vintage pieces would be perfect. To round out the look, bring in ferns and hanging plants to your bathroom, because the idea of boho style is embracing the natural world. 8. Take the small bathroom improvement and inspiration from Dixon Vintage. This bathroom used to be dull. This is the reason why the homeowner opted for a new makeover that fortunately didn't leave him bankrupt. First, he painted the walls to give a fresh new look instantly. He also painted the vanity and bath panels in the same color hue to make them look united. He bought a new cabinet and painted it with Annie Sloan chalk paint to trim. Many people often forget about adorning their bathrooms. Fortunately, it does not happen here. The homeowner of this bathroom invested in a mirror with a shelf. It adds the touch of modern style to the space. It also features a black frame that matches the pictures hanging on the wall. Another significant change is the flooring. The homeowner did not retile it, as it would require much money and time. What he did was just install vinyl sheets. 7. Split an old barrel into a new bathroom masterpiece you can resell for at least $1,000 or more. An inspiration from the Oak Barrel Company. Repurposing unused items is pretty cool. You can make them functional again while reducing waste, just like this old barrel vanity. To make the simpler version of the barrel vanity, you can just maintain the original shape or cut a 1/4 part of it to stay flush with the wall. The choice is yours. Before turning it into a vanity, you need to cut its top for the sink opening. You will also need to cut the side to create access to the inside of the barrel. Next, sand it down and stain it to enhance the rustic look. After that, apply several coats of epoxy for a glossy finish. Once the epoxy is dry, you can begin to install the sink and faucet. You will also need to install wrought iron hinges on the side opening to create a small door. 6. The toilet paper stand idea. Looking for an unusual way to store your toilet papers? Try this one. This toilet paper stand looks like a tree that holds your toilet paper. You can make this toilet paper stand easily. First, cut the board to size. After that, screw the short pieces to the center. Make sure they create a 45-degree angle so that the toilet paper will stay in place. 5. Bathroom with the crate and barrel gift registry. When you are getting married, you may be so hyped up that you begin to build your gift registry. Mostly, it is about the things needed in the kitchen. What about bathroom essentials? It is worth considering, right? For a small bathroom, some beautiful jars will be great to get rid of clutter. You also need to put a wooden tray on the list to anchor the jars in place. Some scented candles can also be perfect for boosting a relaxing vibe. Several pieces of greenery would be marvelous to finish it off. 4. Modify or upgrade your bathroom storage solutions with a cute ladder. Do you have an old ladder in your storage room? Do not let it lie dormant. You can turn it into a practical storage solution. First, cut 2 or 3 rungs so that the ladder can stand over the toilet. After that, sand it thoroughly if you plan to paint or stain it. That's it. You can hang a towel on the ladder. You can also use 2 pieces of rope to hold a wire basket. This way, you can get more storage. 3. Get your bathroom interior greener. Do you want to revitalize your small bathroom? It's easy. One needs only add a little green. Well, nothing can beat the charm of nature, right? Bird's nest fern and photos would be a perfect fit for an area with constant humidity, fluctuating temperatures, and maybe lacking sunlight like a bathroom. Other plants that can stand moisture are air, aloe vera, staghorn fern, calathea, snake, and spider plants. You can also go with a vase of flowers. Put 2 or 3 flowers or succulents in the vase. The decor would bring in a similar vibe to your bathroom, like painting your house green. And how about some other ideas? Lavender is another herb known to freshen aromas, calm nerves, and it also helps keep skin dry and supple. Try it in a pot on your window ledge or as a room spray. 2. The beautiful shelving idea from Kate LaVie. The idea of having a floating shelf to tackle a small space is always good. Besides, those storage solutions come in various colors and designs, depending on your need. One of them is something like this string pocket shelf. This string pocket shelf comes in crisp white that camouflages on the wall, making them look united. The design is super cute, allowing it to host your bathroom essentials or skincare nicely. Before we finish this countdown, support the channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. Keep us in your subscription tabs for more home and garden improvement ideas like this. And finally, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1. Adopt the Lazy Bathroom Organization Solution by Tastemade. A Lazy Susan is not only perfect for your shoes in the closet or condiments in the kitchen, you can also use it to organize bathroom essentials. Stash it away in the vanity and you're good to go. Wait! You can still find plenty of space in it, so why don't you just use it? Besides Lazy Susan, you should invest in a small clear box to hold your pedicure essentials. Do not forget to hang caddies on the vanity wall to store shower puffs and other items. We hope you find this video inspiring and lead you to new creative findings that will upgrade your bathroom organization to a new level. In conclusion, So, a small and narrow bathroom is not a disaster, as long as you keep everything neat while letting natural or artificial light illuminate it well. Your bathroom will be a cozy place to reinvigorate yourself. Besides, you can implement these 12 small and narrow bathroom space-saving ideas to make this idea tangible. That's it for now. Since you're still watching this video, press the like button, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your favorite social media channel. Browse and follow the Simp Home website for more amazing content related to home and decor ideas. And until we meet again later, sometime in the future, thanks for watching.